season, so we have to spend more time on company earnings as well. One big company that came out with numbers yesterday, Reliance Infrastructure. Lalit Jalan, the CEO and whole-time director of the company, is with us. Our research analyst Raj Rajeshwari will also be joining us. Mr. Jalan, if you can take us through the performance in the fourth quarter itself and tell us what exactly brought to bear pressures on the margins and on the revenues.
Yeah, good afternoon, Lata. We are pleased to announce a good, strong year in Reliance Infra, and we have had a top-line growth of 50% and a very strong bottom-line growth of 15%, that is 1,353 crores. The growth has come in all our verticals, namely generation, distribution, trading, EPC verticals. And what you see in the numbers is accumulation of all the vertical growths. The margin that you are referring to as a return on sales basis, the sales number also include increase in prices of power, which does not impact your bottom line, because being a regulated business, your bottom line depends on return on equity.
Mr. Jalan, could you give us an outlook of how FY10 looks right now? Because you seem to have made some positive comments in the conference call held today morning, sir.
Yeah, we see, actually if you think, FY09 was perhaps a watershed year and a very difficult year for all the corporates in India and abroad. And if I go back and I look at what we have been able to achieve in this very difficult year, in October 2008, which was, this real start of the drop in the world confidence, we were successfully able to close Mumbai Metro financial closure. Then in March 2009, we have been able to close Delhi Metro financial closure. Both the projects are under rapid execution, and Mumbai Metro will come 2 years ahead of schedule, and Delhi Metro will come on schedule for the Commonwealth Games. 2 of our road projects are now ready. We have applied for toll collection, and we expect approval shortly, and they will start then collecting toll over the next 2-3 weeks. The other 3 road projects are again on rapid execution. The 2 transmission projects, we have now got all the approval signatories from the buyers, and we have got all the funds commitment for our Western Region scheme, and we should announce financial closure shortly. So if you see, all our infrastructure projects are moving ahead rapidly. We have been able to close the financing. On the EPC side, our numbers, top line, bottom line, have shown strong growth. Our order book has shown strong growth. And the distribution business continues to grow double digit.
Sir, especially on the EPC business, where the margins are higher, could you just share the kind of numbers that you shared with the analysts also, sir, on what kind of revenue growth you're expecting for FY10 and FY11?
What we are looking at is, we have today an order book of 20,600 crores. Our revenue were around 2,400 crores this year. What we are guiding at this stage is that we see over the next 3 years a 50 to 60% growth in top line and commensurate growth in EBIT margins over the next 3 years. We have that visibility based on our existing order book.
Well, Mr. Jalan, if you can take us through how many projects, or what is the total value of projects that have achieved financial closure? We understand it's around 27,000 crores. And what is the equity component that you have to bring in? How much of it is in place?
I can tell you, so if you look at the 5 road projects, we have 6 road projects which have been awarded to us, out of which 5 are financially closed. And if you look at the 2 metro projects, both the metro projects are financially closed. In the transmission, we have 2 transmission projects. They are at advanced levels of closure. We should announce one of them over the next 10 days, and the other one we should announce in May. We have already invested about 1,200 crores equity in these various SPVs in the current year, and we think a similar amount will be invested in FY10.
So Jalan, do we see Reliance Power getting merged into your company?
I mean, I know there has been all kinds of rumors on this, but no, we don't have any comment to offer.
Okay, you have been denied. Thanks a lot for joining us with all those details. Well, that's